At Exponential Media, we leverage the internet to build your brand. The opportunity is ridiculous on how you can attract people to your brand, to your business through the internet. What we do is what most don't. We customize and tailor make a plan for you. We don't use corporate stock footage to help push our businesses and brands. We come to you, we take footage, film, photos of what you do, the way you do it, and to tell your story in a manner that is excellent. Because if you are not excellent, we believe in Exponential Media, you will be invisible to the world around you.